Good evening. This presentation highlights the use of mobile phones in healthcare, which we otherwise called mHealth. mHealth is nothing but use of any mobile device like mobile phone or tablet, laptop for collecting the data, for storing the data, for sharing the data, retrieving data for healthcare purpose. Here in this presentation I will give an example of one project from Africa where TMU is running type A medical mission, and you will see how we use mobile phones to deliver lab results from laboratory to the clinics which are in the villages, and how this has turned out to be very effective, although it's very simple project. So now I will explain with the help of one project which we have done in Swaziland, which is one of the country in Africa, and say how this project helped those people there. So the project is about lab push. We called it lab push. It is about very simple strategy like sending SMS lab results of to the clinicians via SMS, and the project is called Lab Push, a pilot study of providing remote clinics with laboratory results via SMS in Swaziland, Africa, and this paper was published in PLOS ONE journal. Three different institutes were participating. One is Type A Medical University, another is Type A Medical Mission, and the third one is National Referral Laboratory. National Referral Laboratory is basically from Swaziland, the government's own laboratory where investigations for blood investigations will be analyzed and sent all over the country. Okay, here I am showing the map of the Kingdom of Swaziland, and I will give a brief introduction about the country, why we have chosen that country, and about why we have chosen to send SMS, because sending SMS is not it's not an innovative thing, but the good thing is that we have evaluated how this sending of SMS to the clinicians in the remote area is going to help them to take decisions. Swaziland is a 1.1 million people country with a handful of hospitals and about 100 clinics spread all over the country. And the particular thing about Swaziland is they have very high prevalence of HIV and tuberculosis. The rate is so high, it's almost about 26%, meaning every third or fourth person you meet will be HIV infected. TMU is leading a Type A medical mission. That means we have a intergovernment agreement to provide healthcare services in Swaziland. And Taiwan is committed not only for providing the healthcare but also to provide capacity building and technology transfer to Swaziland. Professor Jack Lee with team members traveled to the Swaziland in order to know the actual problem people they are suffering with and to see how technology can help them, because all problems cannot be solved using technology. So that was the main reason we want to go there. We want to see how things can be improved and how we can help those people using technology. So here you see the photographs, people discussing, Professor Jackley discussing with the staff in the national lab, and this you see there are a lot of computers, and also you see everything is computerized. They have very good LIS, that means laboratory information system. And the thing is that in spite of having these advanced machines and laboratory information system, they end up with keeping all the reports in a pigeon box at the corridor of the lab, and staff from the clinics from the periphery will be traveling and collecting their own reports. There is chances of error, keeping results in another box, pigeon box, and people taking the wrong reports, and they will never return back to it, meaning many reports are going missing. So during our study we also evaluate what are the missing rates of reports when using this paper system.